Hey there, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a Cash App account on unsupported country. So first we need to install a VPN which is called CyberGhost. First go to Chrome browser and then search for CyberGhost VPN. And this is the extension. You need to install this extension or you can install any VPN extension. So I have added it on my browser. After that, connect your VPN to your server. Now go back to our cash.app and then on the top right corner click on login. Now you can create account by using phone number or email address. Now to create an account, just click on create account. Now you can create account by your phone number or your email address. So we are going to use our email and then here enter your email address. Now click on continue. Now we need to enter our confirmation code. So let's check our email and then this is our confirmation code. Paste it. Now click on continue. Now confirm your country. So we are going to choose United States and then click on continue. Now you can add your debit card. So we are going to skip it. So here enter your legal first name and last name. So I am going to enter and then click on next. Now here you need to enter a unique name like Priya. After that click on add. Now we need to enter a zip code. So we are going to collect a zip code from Google. Now click on continue. Now it should be work. Now we need to create a PIN. So enter a PIN number. Again enter the PIN number. Click on continue. Welcome to Cash App. And there you go. So we have successfully created a Cash App account. So now you can see we have successfully created. So hope that this video helped you out. If you found this helpful, please consider to subscribe my channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.